Hey everybody, is you okay?
Is you good?
Is you want to know?
No.
Hey everybody, is you okay?
Is you good? Because we want to know.
Welcome to the Three Ice Chicks. That's Molly, I'm Jane.
That's Jane, I'm Molly.
We're making slime today, blindfolded.
Okay, start with the glue.
Okay, I got the. Where's the bowl? I hope I don't get it on this table.
Here's the bowl.
Okay.
In front of you, Jane.
Okay. Tell me when to stop.
Well, I don't know when you started.
I don't know. I just tipped it over.
Okay, maybe stop.
Stop?
Probably, yeah.
Okay.
Did you stop?
Yeah, you told me to. Okay, now we need our activator. I got it.
Are you grabbing?
Yeah, I grabbed.
Okay. I want to do this part.
I want to squish with my hands.
Yeah, but I want to pour it. Oh, wait, you
okay,
want to
here.
squish?
Put
Here.
baking soda first.
I thought you said activator.
Put a pinch of baking soda in there.
Get it? I don't want to stop, Jane.
Stop. I got the shaving cream.
Okay.
Tell me when to stop.
Okay.
Oh, jeez. This thing empty?
Okay, stop. That's enough.
Okay. Now we gotta get our food coloring, Molly. I don't know what colors I just grabbed. But here's yours. Oh my God. Stop. Activator, add more activator. Add more of this.
Tell me when to stop.
Come on. Okay. Stop. Okay, ready? Get. Okay.
It's like I'm in like a couple's pottery class. Jane, pick a side and stay on it.
Sorry. Oh, my hands though.
Me too.
I think we need to add more glue. Hopefully the bowl's here. Tell me when to stop.
Probably. How long ago
Can you
did you
feel it?
start? No. Tell me when to stop.
2 hours later.
Stop. Back it.
I love it. I want some more of it. Jane, you're taking
Whoa!
You guys want blindfolds off? You can.
Oh, good God. Oh, good God. Oh, good God.
What's on my arm?
Nice
Honestly, it
color,
looks
though.
nice. Yeah. What colors did we
Oh,
grab?
you added green. I don't know how it's not green at all.
Science class with Jane and Molly.
Class.
Try this.
11 West. No, Jane, you didn't want to wash your hands?
Looks like a scrotum.
Nice sneeze. Thanks. You ready?
Yeah.
Okay, let me feel it. Okay, go. Should we make a huge one?
Oh God, how much are you doing?
I don't know.
How much are you doing? Okay, what do we need?
Baking soda?
Yeah. Remind ya. Wait.
It's not even coming out. Put it up straight
There's
more.
none left.
Oh, they used it all? Put a food dye in. Should we do 2 colors?
Okay.
Is it good?
I don't know how much I just did, but we'll see.
Okay.
Oh, I think we just splashed it a little.
Ew.
What? This work?
Put some?
Mhm.
Oh, you just put it on my hand.
We need more. Pick one. Pick one out of my hand. Okay, there.
Oh,
What did you do?
I did the whole thing. Okay, 2 hands.
We need more. Wait,
What color do you think this is gonna be?
I don't know.
I think it's
Just
gonna
not
be,
yellow,
I think
hopefully.
it's gonna be like a poopy green. Like I think we did green
I hope it's not yellow.
and like blue or something.
Oh, I just.
That's a nice
That's
color.
not bad. Wait, what color's the glitter?
like
Did we
cyan.
get blue glitter?
We did purple or pink.
Oh my god, is this?
Can I add some of these in there?
Oh my god, my room's gonna be such a mess.
No, it's not.
ASMR.
Is it recording now?
What's in your mouth?
We're playing What's in Our Mouth now. After we just killed the slime challenge that everyone thought
Killed
we would
it.
do well in.
Yep. Hands out for a high five, Jane. Here, kitty, kitty. Here, kitty, kitty.
So you guys are gonna have to guess what it is.
Yeah, we picked up on
Yeah, I got that, yeah.
Hey yo, you ready?
Is this gonna be
I'll
nasty?
just open your mouth.
Oh.
Open your mouth, Paul.
Raspberry.
Okay.
Try it, Molly.
It scared me because
I was like, I didn't know
it felt
what it was.
hairy.
I want you to hold the spoon and
It's fucking cheese.
Whoa. Parmesan.
Parmesan cheese. Oh god. I don't like it.
That was gross.
Yeah.
okay, go ahead.
Icing? What is that? I like it.
It's icing. It's artificial.
Y'all are really good at this. What do we have?
It smells weird.
Go.
I'm
What is that?
I'm scared.
Molly, go.
This is balsamic.
Yeah.
Big bat, big bat, big bat, big bat. Raspberry Parmesan icing balsamic. Is this the last one? Yeah. Yeah.
Why are you laughing?
Chupapi manana. Can I get a hiya? Hiya. Chupapi manana.
No.
Molly, go. You're cheating.
We have to go out tonight.
You're cheating.
Hummus? Is this hummus? What is this? Hummus. It has to be hummus. What is this?
That's 5 to 5.
What's your?
Garlic hummus.
Got it.
Okay, wait, you gotta tell me if I look okay. Wait, how am I gonna do this with my lashes?
Let me see. You good, but you gotta fix your hair.
Well, yeah.
Oh, like the front.
Ready?
Go.
Down
Shoot
the
it back.
hatch.
Shoot it back.
Down the hatch!
What is that? Is that egg? What is that? You're just wasting an egg! I drank it! Did you not?
This is my skull shock pass.
Ew, no.
Take it. It's good.
No, it's... Jane, would you drink this?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I eat it.
Are you smelling this?
Take the whole thing, Danica.
We have to take the whole thing. You're cheating.
She's gagging. She's gagging.
That's teriyaki sauce.
No, it's not. It's not teriyaki.
It's like... Soy. No, that's not soy.
Soya.
White vinegar!
Wait.
No.
What the hell is that?
Wait. Girl.
What? Little boo thing.
What was
I
that?
don't know, but I can still taste it, and I know what that is.
You have no more guesses?
Wait.
Oh my god. No, what was it?
Oh.
Oh!
Worcester's Worcestershire. Nope.
This is so messed up.
No, I need to. No.
Oh my god.
What the?
Oh my
I need
God.
to be able to taste it.
You're gonna be able to. Here you go. She's gagging again.
Stop spitting it out every time.
Oh, hot sauce.
Yeah.
I like this.
That's
You're
nothing.
exaggerating.
That's nothing.
Okay, good.
It's Tabasco.
Oh, it's hot now. You act like dying next to me.
It's hot. Oh my god.
Here you go. This will cleanse it.
It's flour.
It's not dead. It's not hard.
What the
Corn
fuck?
fry?
What the fuck? What is that? Hey everybody, I'm not okay. I'm not good.
Okay, we have one more. That's fine.
Hey everybody, that's not okay. That's not good. If you wanted to know.
I like hot sauce, but my mouth is like my lips are, maybe it's the lip filler. I haven't had a lip.
Ready?
I don't
Open your
trust.
mouth.
I don't trust.
Open your mouth.
Oh, oh, this is
Ew.
my mix from earlier.
Ew, ugh.
You didn't even finish the palate.